Hi and welcome to ITplusAccounting Solutions. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to add customers in Xero accounting software. Customers in Xero are created through the context menu. Adding them via the sales menu on the navigation bar will automatically redirect you to the context menu. Customers can be added in two ways: manually or by importing a CSV file using Xero's template. In this video, we will demonstrate both methods, starting with the manual entry, ending with importing customers using a CSV file. Let's get started. Before making any changes in Xero, always ensure you are working in the correct company. The active company's name is displayed on the top left of the navigation menu. On the contact screen, click on the New Contact button on the top right of your screen. This opens up the customer setup screen. Enter the customer contact details. Next, add the primary contact person's details. Enter the business information details. Proceed to enter the financial details. Complete the sales defaults. The sales account default is the account Xero will automatically use as the control account when you process a transaction for this customer. Insert the payment terms for this customer. Indicate whether the amounts will be tax exclusive or tax inclusive. If required, insert the discount percentages and the credit limit for this customer. Lastly, review the purchase defaults and save this customer. Alternatively, customers can be imported in bulk using a CSV file. On the contact screen, select the menu icon next to the New Contact button and click on Import. Once you get to this screen, click on Download the template. The template downloads as a CSV and will look like this. To complete the template, you will need to import this CSV file into Excel using Text Import Wizard. If you need help with this, I've linked a video in the description below. Once all the customer information is entered in the Excel file, convert the Excel file back into CSV, which will look like something like this once completed. Save your CSV file and go back into Xero. Click on Select File to upload your customers. If the file is correctly completed, Xero will display the total number of employees as ready for import. As displayed in the screen, 5 contacts will be imported. If there are issues, Xero will show warnings, explain why certain customers cannot be imported, allowing you to correct and re-upload. When ready, click on Complete Import. The contacts in Xero are split between all contacts, customers, and supplier contact groups. When you add or import new contacts, they will automatically sit on the All Contacts tab. You will notice that all the customers that we imported and the customer that we created are all sitting on the All Contacts tab instead of the Customers tab. Contacts are automatically reclassified as customers or suppliers once you've entered an invoice, a bill, or a credit note transaction for them. In this video, we covered how to add customers in Xero, both manually and importing using a CSV file. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe for more practical accounting tips, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe.